Um, I'm Heather. I'm from Ottawa, Canada, and I started my journey with Gelato when I retired. I needed something to keep me busy, and I remembered that I really enjoyed that print-on-demand model. And I also have a background in geography. I worked in that field about 30 years ago, where I used special software to organize geographic information. It's called the GIS. My specific niche is bathymetric depth maps of lakes, Canadian lakes. There's lots of lakes in Canada, and a lot of people have cottages or cabins on lakes, and they have a real love for their lake. I was able to develop a product that is not out there. I just created it, given my experience. I just had a request for 20 prints. So these maps of lakes that I create were souvenir items. I've sold a few of the framed posters, but still selling mostly without frames. But it's just more products to offer. I ended up going with Gelato because I didn't want any international borders preventing my product getting stuck in customs. I was turned on to Gelato right away. I really hope that you guys stay around, because I don't know what I would do without you guys. I don't want to go to any other print-on-demand companies. Customer service is just fantastic. If there's something that's damaged in shipping, or if there's a print error, no questions asked.